you get treasures like these. See what I'm talking about? Just stroll to a dress for less store. Yes, dress for less. I'm gonna take you inside with me. Yes, guys, all the goodies. You have to search long and hard though, but love it. Sometimes you find some treasures. Dress for less. Going in, guys. This is my store, guys. You have to look. This is nice. Morning. So hi, I like this business. If you're lucky, you get treasures like these. See what I'm talking about? Authentic. Yeah, you get authentic Chanel bag if you're lucky. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So remember, I showed you earlier I'm going to my Dress for Less thrift store. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Karl Lagerfeld red flats. Yeah, this is a Karl Lagerfeld flats also. Yes, very nice. They're brand new. Dress for less. I don't know. It's a strap up kitten heel from H&M. Think mini Ted Baker backpack. Love, it's brand new. Sometimes you can get good stuff there. Yeah, waist bag, but this is like a show giving cowgirl behavior, Texas behavior. And I don't know, this dress was for 20, like a baby doll green dress from H&M, and this is a size large. Like this dress if you don't want anything too tight. These are the sleeves, and these are coming from my Dress for Less thrift store. Dress that I like, it's like a baby doll turtleneck with long sleeve. Yes guys, this is coming from my local Dress for Less long skirt from Vince Komoto. It's all the way to your ankle. Yeah, with pleated skirt. I think this is for like, one of these are like $6. Yes, and this is a Vince Komoto or Komoto. So your ankles, it's very long. And this one is a H&M flats. Yeah, and it's cheers to Saturday. Hello beautiful people. So driving to a yard party. Me and my spouse. They will leave at 7:15. So we're on our way to Freeport. Cheers to Saturday.